Hi there, in this video we'll generate pipeline groovy command for Jenkins using Duet AI. So here we have a pipeline.groovy file where we will generate the code for creating a declarative Jenkins pipeline, and we'll use Duet AI for that. And let's see how it goes. So first of all, we'll be going to the Duet AI prompt, and let me clear this out. So we'll put in a prompt to generate a Jenkins file to demonstrate declarative stages for a build for a Java application. So here we are given a certain snippet of code in Groovy, which we bring over to our IDE. So here you can see there are multiple stages: the build stage, the test stage, and the deploy stage, and each one has the sh command which will actually execute the Maven build and test and deploy. So I'll comment these out because I would prefer just to check this out in Jenkins that the stages execute. So we have the echo commands that will demonstrate that it has gotten into those stages and deployed it, and if there were the real Maven installed in the server, then we could do just that. So here we are in the Jenkins, so I'll create a new pipeline job. Let's name it test pipeline, and we'll choose pipeline, and here we are. So let me a quick description: test pipeline to check out Duet AI generated declarative code. So let's paste the Groovy code in the pipeline script section. So here in the drop down you can choose pipeline script instead of from SCM. That would be when you have a SCM in place, a version control. So here we are, it's ready to be built. So I've clicked on the build, and you can see 3 stages are executed. These were just echo commands. So let's look at the logs. Here you can see building the application, the next echo would be testing the application, and the final deploy stage where the actual deployment would have occurred. So we have all the stages created, and that's how Duet AI creates a declarative pipeline on Jenkins. Thank you.